Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine and doing well at home. Today we are going to continue our chapter 1. I hope you all have completed your exercise 1.2. We are going to start with the examples of exercise 1.3. Your example 7 is there. Show that 0.333 and so on is equal to 0.3 bar. I hope I have already cleared you this thing, that if any digit is repeating, then on that digit we are using this bar sign and we are showing it in this way. So we have to show that it can be expressed in the form P upon Q. P upon Q as a rational number, and as I made you clear, this is also a rational number. When our digit is repeating, then it is called a rational number. So we have to show it in the rational number form. There is a trick to show it. These same steps will be followed in every kind of question related to this. So you have to concentrate on it and try to understand it clearly. First of all, let's pose it as x. Let x is equal to 0.333 and so on. As we know that this is equal to this, then here one digit is repeating, only 3 is repeating. So what you need to do, you will multiply it with 10. If there would be 2 digits repeating, then we are going to multiply with 2 tens. 2 tens means 100. If 3 digits are repeating, then we are multiplying with 3 tens as 1000. So here one digit is repeating, so we will multiply with 10x. And we know very well, we have done in the junior classes, if we are multiplying with 10, then one digit will be shifted on the side, on the left side. So it means it will be 3.333. If you have not understood, I will make you clear. It means if you are having a number 0.457 and if I am multiplying it, it means it is equal to 457 upon 1000. If I am multiplying it with 10, then 2 digit, it means 2 tens are left. So it will be turned in the 4.57. So the same thing I am doing here. If I am multiplying with 10, then my one digit will be shifted on this side. Now the next step, you have to do it step by step. The next step, this is your first equation, this is your second equation. Subtract the first equation from the second. It means 10x minus x left hand side with the left hand side, and 3.33 so on minus 0.333. Now 10x minus x is 9x, 3 minus 0 is 3, and 0.333, they all will be turned in the 0. So what is left with you? It's left only x is equal to 3 by 9, which is equal to 1 by 3. I hope you understood. This is the form P upon Q. I am taking more examples. Your example 8, it's given to you. Show that 1.272727. You can notice 27 is repeated. That's why they have written also the 27 bar. We have to do the same thing. We have to express it in the form P upon Q. Let's try do with the same method. First of all, take it as x is equal to this. Now, as I made you clear here, we are having the 2 digits repetition. So we will multiply with 2 tens. What is your 2 tens? That is 100. So let multiply with 100. 100x. So these 2 digits, if we are multiplying with 100, 2 digits will be shifted on this side with 1. So it becomes 127.272727. It's repeating infinite time. Now the next step, what it was? Subtract the first equation from the second. Let's subtract. It will be 100x minus x is 99x. And when we are subtracting it, there is no need to show, just to make you clear. I have done here. This is your second equation. This is your first equation. If you will subtract, these all will be turned in the 0 after decimal. So what is left here? Before the decimal, it's left here 126. So it is equal to 126.000. So the x value is 126 upon 99, which is equal to 14 by 11. And what was our x? Our x was this. It means we have expressed it in the form P P upon Q as 14 by 11. I am taking one more example, your example 9. It's given to you. Show that these can be expressed in P upon Q form. Let's see what is going on here. Here only 3, 5 is repeating. This 2 is not repeating at all. That's why they have put the bar on 3, 5 only, not on 2. So as I said earlier, how many digits are repeating? 2 digits. So we will multiply with 2 tens. So 2 tens, let's take it as x, 2 tens as 100x, and only 2 digits will be shifted on the left hand side. So 2 digits means 23 is shifted here. What is left here? This 5, and then after that this 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. So now what we need to do? We have to subtract again our first equation from the second. 100x minus x. We got 99x. 23.53535 minus 0.235. I have done it in the rough here. This is our second equation, right hand side. This is our first equation of the right hand side. When you will subtract, this is 0, this is 0, this one 0, this one 0. But we got here 5 minus 2 as 3. After the decimal, one digit is left. And it's 23. So we got from here 23.3. So we will write 23.3 upon 99. You can see here is a decimal place. If we want to remove this decimal, then we have to take here 10. So 99 into 10, it will be 990. So this was our example 9. Thank you.